name is Cartoon, and I'm from the 60 gang. Today, all I got to say to you brothers out there is you had better stop tripping. Too much drama is jumping off between us as a people. And until we get our lives together, everybody gonna get smoked. Everybody. You ain't got no action at winning this war that we about to take place in unless you get your life together and focus your views on the things that's popping in South Central Los Angeles. We the ones that started this drama, now it's nationwide. And if y'all don't wake up and get it together, you're doomed. That goes for everybody in the town. Everybody in the town. I'm shooting shots out to my homeboy Morrock, and to Lil Muck, and to Lil Weasel, and to Big Mumbles and Banker T, and all of my homies who's resting in peace right now. All my homies done lost their lives over a meaningless cause, and until y'all get it straight, it's on and cracking, and ain't nobody too expensive to die. Right here and where we live, and this is a war zone. This is Beirut in 1994, the Southland. South Central Los Angeles is Beirut in 1994. And if y'all don't wake up, you're gonna come up short.